Hey, here's a quick video on how you install Screencastify on a Chrome browser. It's pretty simple. You go to screencastify.com, and then when you get on there, you'll see a button in the upper right that says Add to Chrome. It'll take you to the Chrome Web Store, and you'll see another button that says Add to Chrome. Click on that. It'll ask for some permissions here. You click on Add Extension. And then once it'll take a minute to download here. Once it downloads, then it installs automatically, and then it shows up as an icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. When you click on that icon for the very first time, it will take you to a setup page, and it'll just walk you through the steps. You want to keep this on where it automatically saves videos to Google Drive. That's a really easy way to save your videos. And then you sign in with Google, and then it'll ask you which account you want to sign in with. And you'll choose yours. If it automatically logs in because you only have one account on your Chromebook, then it'll just skip right to permissions. You want it to have permission to use your camera and microphone, drawing and annotation tools. Those are all good. Click on next, and then it's going to ask for permission for that. And then that's it. You're on. Another step you're going to want to take with Screencastify is to add the free trial that gives you like unlimited access, I think for a month. To get that, just shoot me an email, and I can send you the setup instructions for that. There's like a code, and you have to with your account, you put in a code, and then you get, I think it's like 30 days of the unlimited access, which lets you record as long of videos as you want. Otherwise, you're limited, I think, to 5 minutes for your videos. So yeah, that's how you get Screencastify all set up on a Chrome browser.